Romalag presents the most flexible and effective single-use glove box, which is based on the Flecotec principle and which offers 100% zone conformity and OEB5 level through all working steps. During drum preparation for sealed sample removal for testing or weighing purposes, a drum is equipped with a Flecotec adapter, or preferably, a Flecotec liner bag is inserted in the drum. The drum is then positioned on the drum holder. The complementary zip closures are docked, opened, pulled over the drum, and secured with an expander at the upper drum end for extra security. Glove ports enable safe handling for sampling or weighing. Following successful sample removal and closure of the primary bag, the expander on the drum is released. The zip closures are moved to the undocking position and then safely separated from each other. The drum is then ready for re-storage. The sample, now located in the sample bottle, can be securely removed via a glove bag docked to the opposite zip closure of the glove box and transported to the laboratory while packed in the glove bag. The glove box can be prepared for safe disposal by extracting all air via a filter bag, which can be docked, undocked with a zip closure, and then folding the glove box together. All single-use components are then ready for energetic disposal.